favorites. Now usually in this series I talk about my favorite clothing pieces, but then today I do want to include a couple of beauty slash skincare slash makeup items as well. Now can you even guess what the first item on this list would be? I mean, I'm pretty sure if you've been seeing some of my recent videos and if you follow me on my Instagram, then आप already समझ चुके because this is all over my gram and my YouTube, which is this pastel skirt. I got this from Ajio recently. This is from a brand called Outright and I am in love with this skirt. This one was for 12.99 rupees and it is worth every penny, guys, believe me. Now I know this is out of stock because a couple of you have been sending me DMs saying कि ये still out of stock and I'm so sad. I hope this gets back on stock because I want everyone to buy this skirt because this is such a beautiful piece. I mean, it's made up of satin kind of material. The color, the print is so beautiful. Like this is totally my vibe. Now speaking about the brand Outright and the Ajio haul जिसमें मैं बात करी थी, I got 2 more products from there जो कि अभी मेरी favorites list में है, which says a lot about this brand. So I got this top from there. Now fun fact about me is that I love square neckline वाले tops, so I'm already obsessed with it. इसकी sleeve वगैरह भी बहुत अच्छी, like the sleeves are really, you know, like oversized and बहुत अच्छा look आता है. I just love it. It is so body fitted and इसका fabric भी काफी अच्छा है. It's like cotton fabric, so काफी अच्छा. The fabric is not stretchable. I love tops like these. मतलब ये मेरे से perfect style of top है. Square neckline, smoked back, अच्छा सा sleeve में कोई detailing हो and इसका तो color भी इतना ज़्यादा pretty है. Like look at the color. So this is again really good product. Now the third product that I'm talking about from Outright is something that I'm wearing here at the bottom, which are these shorts. So I got these shorts, like these pajama shorts. I hope you can see here. So I got these shorts from Outright and I have been wearing them non-stop. It's a maroon color के भी हैं and I'm going to order them as soon as possible because I'm just loving these shorts. Especially since it's lockdown right now, everyone is at home, everyone wants to be comfy and इतना गर्मियाँ हो रही हैं, so मतलब ऐसे shorts तो are the perfect, like the go-to clothing piece for you to wear right now. I've been looking for like light grey shorts for a long time and ये वाले are perfect. Like you can dress them up a little bit, like if you want to dress up to make your मूड बेटर, आप ऐसे कुछ फैंसी सा क्रॉप टॉप पहन लो, ये शॉर्ट्स पहन लो, तो यू विल बी कम्फी ऑल्सो, बट देन में थोड़ा सा क्यूट लुक भी आ जाता है. लाइक नॉट प्रॉपर ड्रेसअप बट यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, क्वारंटीन लॉकडाउन वाला ड्रेसअप. नाउ सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग, द फोर्थ फेवरेट इन दिस लिस्ट इज दिस टॉप राइट हियर. एंड वेल, like, do I even need to explain why it is my favorite? So I got this from Street Style Store recently. I was trying out some pieces from there. 799, like 3 for 799 वाला एक सेक्शन है उनकी वेबसाइट में. मैंने वहाँ से 3 क्लोथिंग पीसेस ट्राई किए. सो बेसिकली दिस वन इज फॉर लाइक 260-ish रुपीज, ऐसे कुछ का है टॉप. कैन यू बिलीव इट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लाइक इसमें बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सी लेस डिटेलिंग है एंड इट जस्ट लुक सो गुड. लाइक द कलर perfect, the fit, the price, the fabric, everything about this is really good. So I have been shopping like a few things from H&M here and there. I mean, the last order that I've got was back in March, लेकिन मैंने उसके अभी तक हॉल नहीं बनाई है. I have accumulated like a lot of things. मतलब at least मैं 2 हॉल्स में आपको दिखाऊंगी because there are so many things and one haul would not like do justice to all the items. So you will get to see a couple of H&M hauls soon. But then there are 2 pieces that I am loving so much that I want to show them to you before I put those hauls. Now the first one is this lavender top. Now you must have already seen this because ये काफी Instagram पे मैंने डाला है. And if you remember the vlog where I went to get my hair colored, मैंने उसमें भी यही पहना था and I got like a couple of questions there. So this one is from H&M and इसका लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. This one was for 799 I think and I am just in love with this t-shirt. First of all, the color is lavender. The fabric is really good. Like it is one of the best t-shirt fabric for summer. I am just like literally wearing this and these grey shorts every day. मुझे इतना पसंद आया है. Now there is this one thing. This one is a little bit see-through, so you'll have to wear like a nude undergarments inside this, but I don't think that is like a main point of concern. But you can always go for nude undies. Another piece from H&M that I'm really liking is this black ruched top. Now if you remember in one of my recent videos, I don't remember which one, but मैंने किसी वीडियो में mention किया था कि I got a black साइड से रूज डिटेलिंग वाला बेसिक टॉप फ्रॉम H&M. I think I mentioned it in the Street Style Store वाला video when I was showing you the lavender top. So I got this top from H&M and इसमें बस ये बेसिक सा ब्लैक टॉप है फिटेड है एंड साइड में ये रूशिंग वाला डिटेल है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी प्रॉपर्ली, आई विल शो यू अ क्लोजअप लेटर. And ये रूशिंग वाला detailing makes it so sexy, it makes it so different, yet it's very basic, like it's just a black top, कुछ नहीं है इसमें. बट देन ये रूशिंग वाला डिटेलिंग इसको बिल्कुल ही अलग डिफरेंट सा लुक देता है. आई हैव बीन वेयरिंग दिस लाइक क्रेजी इन द पास्ट 2 to 3 months. मैं इसको बहुत पहन रही हूँ. आई गॉट दिस इन द साइज L. Also, I'll try to mention all the sizes and the links in the description bar for you. Now, I think I'm left with just 2 more clothing pieces, and again 2 very comfy, cozy loungewear pieces because well, we've all been just staying indoors. So, abhi to वही सब मेरे favorites में है. Now, the next one is this T-shirt that I got last year from Levi's. And my love for this t-shirt is indescribable. I just love it. It's a basic black tee, but then it's got really cute pop of एक कलर है. यहाँ पे Levi's का लोगो है and ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Like even this t-shirt is very loose and the fabric is amazing. Like Levi's has some amazing t-shirts. Like wearing this t-shirt या फिर this t-shirt with these grey shorts has been literally my uniform these days. I'm not even kidding. I got this in the size L and ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा t-shirt है. Again, I'll mention the link. I don't know if it's in stock because I got this last year. But then if it is, grab it. You won't regret this purchase. And finally, there are a couple of like these ganjis that I've been wearing a lot. Like almost every day I wear them because इतना ज़्यादा गर्म हो रहा है यार. So I just feel comfortable in these ganjis when it's super hot out. So I've got this one and a similar one in yellow color. I got them from Big Bazaar. Like, can you believe it? ये Big Bazaar से and ये इतने soft, इतने comfortable हैं. So I've been wearing them non-stop and obviously I can't give you a link of them. But ऐसे similar ganjis तो आपको हर जगह मिल जाएंगी. So yes, that's it. Now moving on to the skincare / beauty part of this video, I've got 3 products. And the first one is this exfoliating serum from Dot & Key. It's their Hydro Peel Glow Potion 10% AHA, 2% BHA exfoliating serum. Now if you remember, I tried this for the first time in our vlog actually. I linked that vlog here. And उसके बाद से if you can see here, मैंने ये इतना सारा use कर लिया है, which basically means that I'm loving using this. This actually leaves my skin so soft and it just feels like a baby's butt. इतना अच्छा skin को देता है. I use this twice a week and I'm loving using this. ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे और इसका कलर कितना क्यूट है एंड प्रोडक्ट बहुत थोड़ा सा यूज होता है. सो इट्स रियली गुड. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ सीरम. So this is from Dermaco and it's their 10% niacinamide serum and it has vitamin B3, zinc and day night दोनों टाइम पे यूज होता है. So I use this every day, twice a day and ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Now if you want me to do like my current skincare routine, tell me in the comments. I've been thinking about doing it. I've been actually getting a couple of questions asking me to do that. So अगर आपको ऐसा कोई वीडियो चाहिए, tell me in the comments and I can obviously include it in a vlog soon. So skincare routine में उसमें I can talk about this more, but ये सीरम अच्छा है, like I'm really liking it. And finally, like the last product is actually a makeup product. So it's a blush from Wet n Wild and this blush is in the shade Mellow Wine. Now if you remember, I recently talked about this blush in a makeup video and ये blush बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा, like I even put it today if you can see here. बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत mauve pinky blush है, बहुत natural सा shade देता है and इसका pigmentation amazing है. Now let me swatch it for you if you want. I am not a beauty guru or a beauty YouTuber or a beauty person, so I'll be really bad with the swatches. But let me show you. See, I can't do one job properly. यहाँ पे if you want to see ऐसा दिखता है and yes, I've damaged it a little bit क्योंकि मैंने इसमें से अपना नाखून घुसा दिया था गलती से. That is how clumsy I am. But yes, ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, ये बहुत ही beautiful shade है. If you can see यहाँ पे, you can just apply it like this also. Why did I even do that? मैंने क्यों लगाया? I don't know, but मैं इसको सब बालों से थोड़ा सा कवर कर लेती हूँ. And yes, with that we come to the end of this video. This video has been a roller coaster ride. But yes, now please ignore this. पता नहीं मैंने ऐसा क्यों करा अभी. But अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया, लाइक करना, शेयर करना. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now please tell me in the comments what all videos do you want to see during this quarantine lockdown time. आप कौन से videos देखना चाहते हो? Please help your girl out. I will do an H&M haul soon because I think I told you that I've been shopping a little bit from H&M here and there. Now the question of the day is, how are you, like how are you doing, how's your mental health, how's your physical health. I hope you all are staying safe. I hope you're healthy. Please take care of yourself, your loved ones, and your mental health for sure. If you don't think you're doing good, social media usage kam kar do apna. That will really help you stop seeing news all the time, because it is taking a toll on us. And yes, that's it. Now I'll see you next time. Please subscribe karna mat bhulna. Tell me in the comments aap kaise ho, how are you doing. If you are facing something, do share it with us. Maybe we can help out each other. If you've achieved something, if there's like some milestone or achievement that you've had in life, again share it with us. Let's celebrate you together. And yes, that's it. Now I'll go. Bye guys. Subscribe karna mat bhulna. Bye.